Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you how you can remap the location and there we have the vacuum Dream X40 Ultra. So let's jump to the Dream application. In the first step you have to click on the three dot icon, then select the floor cleaning settings. Okay, my bad, just click here. And as you can see, there we have the map editing. We can delete this map and configure it. And as you can see, now we can start the fast mapping once. Again, click on the OK.
Start mapping. It will take about 5 to 10 minutes.
And basically that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.